Hi, this is Hazel and welcome to my page Simply Hazel. So kanisya na video was actually taken year 2023 during our honeymoon and nagstay mi sa secluded located in Dahican, Mati City. And this activity is called free diving. Very sulit na activity and you must try with your partner kay ma-appreciate jud ninyo unsa kanindot maglangoy-langoy tapos inana kalalom, even though me personally di ko ganahan musalom og lalom kaayo kay nakoy fear na basig di na ko makabalik ba no sa taas, but then gi-conquer na ko ni siya and I was able to do it with my partner and see how beautiful the sea is with the creatures na nadiara. It's really beautiful and you really must try. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye!